a whole political party, and this boy never apologized. He never. Even people were forcing the party. This boy should come on national television. He should make sure Ojina Bawumia to apologize to Shatta Wale and his followers. This boy never did that. So all these things, these are the Bawumia boys, so and the Mutubitina TV Shatta Wale followers are junkies. Awa Muhammad. Now Obi Shawa and I do not the second war. You are calling Shatta Wale followers and say, "Oh, you're junkies." You see the kind of people are surrounded by Bawumia. And they say these things boldly. They don't respect anybody. This boy is a Bawumia boy, Awal Muhammad. Otina TV Soka say, Shatta Wale, time Okoyoko and Ohona, young Ghanaians went out there to demonstrate to say they want Shatta Wale released. They just were out there and they were demonstrating. Saboy where Odi Bawumia chi etumetina Joy News catch Ghana for say Shatta Wale followers here junkies. Bawumia did not call this boy to order. Bawumia never said anything about it. Awa Muhammad way Odi Bawumia campaign it you or ye integral member of Bawumia, the spokesperson or count. Bawumia communication team no count. Ojina bonti be catch Ghana for say Shatta Wale followers no. Hundreds and thousands of them no. Omo junkies, omo drug addicts. This boy. And you see the funny thing, none of the people in the NPP, nobody apologized. Bawumia himself ignored it. Neire ignored it. The leadership of the party, because they don't respect Shatta Wale followers. Junkies. So that is what the NPP, that's how they see Shatta Wale and his followers. I am an SM fan. He's calling me a junkie. And it is be a Shatta Wale follower. Now, Ochina Bawumia be a campaign. I was a Shatta Wale follower and sorry. And got to Abama Bawumia. Abra, wo Bawumia ne catch Shatta Wale followers and say, "Oh, me junkies." Are you crazy?
He's in custody.
Yeah.
Yes. Are you getting it?
And the process has started.
No, has he been released?
Oh.
Is it no more than 3 weeks?
Take your time. Why are you not talking about Abu Trika?
Why are you also not talking about Shatta Wale?
What happened to Shatta Wale?
When they arrested Shatta Wale, they gave that stringent bail conditions. When the junkies got there, what happened?
We
they
junkies
had to be removed.
You called it.
Why are you also not talking about Shatta Wale?
What happened to Shatta Wale?
When they arrested Shatta Wale, they gave that stringent bail conditions. When the junkies got there, what happened?
We
they
junkies
had to be removed.
You called it.
I didn't
see you. You are saying.
Why are you also not talking about Shatta Wale?
What happened to Shatta Wale?
When they arrested Shatta Wale, they gave that stringent bail conditions. When the junkies got there, what happened?
We
they had to be removed.
You called it.
Why are you also not talking about Shatta Wale?
What happened to Shatta Wale?
When they arrested Shatta Wale, they gave that stringent bail conditions. When the junkies got there, what happened?
We
they had to be removed.
You called it.
A whole political party. A whole political party. And this boy never apologized. He never. Even people were forcing the party. This boy should come on national television. He should make sure Ojina Bawumia to apologize to Shatta Wale and his followers. This boy never did that. Bawumia and his team, none of them, Obias no. Because NPP no mu Shatta Wale followers some are junkies. And that is what they believe in. That they don't respect anybody.
He's in custody.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why are you not talking about Abu Trika?
Why are you also not talking about Shatta Wale?
What happened to Shatta Wale?
When they arrested Shatta Wale, they gave that stringent bail conditions. When the junkies got there, what happened?
We
they
junkies
had to be removed.
You called it.
About Abu Trika.
Why are you also not talking about Shatta Wale?
What happened to Shatta Wale?
When they arrested Shatta Wale, they gave that stringent bail conditions. When the junkies got there, what happened?
We
they
junkies
had to be removed.
You called it.
I didn't see.
Why are you also not talking about Shatta Wale?
What happened to Shatta Wale?
When they arrested Shatta Wale, they gave that stringent bail conditions. When the junkies got there, what happened?
We junkies
they gave that stringent bail conditions. When the junkies got there, what happened?
We
they
junkies
had to be removed.
You called it.
Conditions. When the junkies got there, what happened?
We
they had to be removed.
You called it.
Conditions. When the junkies got there, what happened?
Shatta Wale.
When they arrested Shatta Wale, they gave that stringent bail conditions. When the junkies got there, what happened?
We
they
junkies
had to be removed.
You called it.
Shatta Wale.
When they arrested Shatta Wale, they gave that stringent bail conditions. When the junkies got there, what happened?
We
they
junkies
had to be removed.
You called it.
That is what they do. That's a typical MPP. Omo the stone boy and I'm supporting no. And apart from Stoneboy, Obia a junkie momo. They don't respect anybody. Anytime the Stoneboy did the Gabi. That's what they do. But Shatta Wale, in his life and in the supporters, the love and the supporters woman. Shatta Wale is not a new musician. No. Shatta Wale, the SM movement is like a religion. It is bigger than NPP. And nobody can challenge that in Ghana. SM movement, it is bigger, 10 times bigger than the NPP. Because they are basically committed to the SM. They are not liars. They don't show any fake love. If they don't like something, they are honest about it. They are not after money. And into Shatta Wale too. They love Shatta Wale deep down because they appreciate his craft. They appreciate what his words does for them. But a whole political party communicator, but not TV, so can say Shatta Wale and his followers, who are Ghanaians, are omotuaba. They are junkies. And the whole party, NPP, you know, they are happy and laughing about it. Akosua Menu is happy. The same way, Bawumia Nankasa himself, he's happy. The people following Bawumia, every single person, they are all happy because that is how they see Ghanaians. Today, NPP, Shatta Wale followers are mere part, say junkies. Oh, really? Oh, sir. Eh. There's a Mustomo and the supporters, those Shatta Wale supporters. Oh, really? Okay. Yatiasie, we understand. Send the NPP as a political party. Fresh Shatta Wale, die-hard supporters like myself, say junkies are Yati. We will remind you people every day about this. And we will never forget this statement coming from the NPP as a political party. We will never forget. Say, we the SM family, we are junkies. Really. Politics in tea. You people see us as junkies. NPP. You people see and the Muhu SM for life. You see Shatta Wale as a small entity, right? Mumbu, Shatta Wale and his followers. You people think, and no. We are here. We will remind you every day. Members have video way every day to remind Shatta Wale followers. Because I am one of the SM fans. And for life is for life. And we will make sure we protect the Shatta Wale brand. And whoever is against the brand is our enemy. Whoever is against the SM brand is our enemy. We don't care what you think. Because we are focused. We will worship the brand. We worship the talent. We worship the craft. That is why we are committed. It is not about money. It is not about ahonia. It is not about insheninim. It is about the love we have for that craft. The SM craft. The brand. We worship it. And we will make sure we protect it. Anybody who has disrespected SM brand will pay for it. And it's a promise. Today, NPP, you are calling us SM followers. You are calling us junkies.
And your statement is fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. Fallacy of Latin, fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. It's simple terms. The statement is a fallacy. Wow. Fallacious. And your statement is fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. Fallacy of Latin, fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. It's simple terms. The statement is a fallacy. Wow. Fallacious. And your statement is fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. Fallacy of Latin, fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. It's simple terms. The statement is a fallacy. Wow. Fallacious. And your statement is fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. Fallacy of Latin, fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. It's simple terms. The statement is a fallacy. Wow. Fallacious. And your statement is fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. Fallacy of Latin.
Say, statement no. You be kaimu. Monemo Bawumia no. Monemo NPP no. Monemo MPs no. You be kaimu. We are here now. Now, issue about a year scholarship secretariat issues na abano, and the scholarship secretariat backs Mahama's NIB probe. A year Mr. Asafoah or no and right now or in charge of a Ghana Scholarship Secretariat. Or see the niaji and day say President Mahama and the one more instruction say National Investigation Bureau for enhwehwe a Scholarship Secretariat na a Kingsley a Kingsley Ajimanda no a omudi Ghana dream na unim de ya wasem we mu nyina. Oh Ghana na ye chichire no sometimes no obi ho na o Facebook na o type ya aya na okay. The moment on be o manu akasa na utum say sa nipa no, you ask yourself, say, why did you even spend your time reading whatever they write on Facebook? You see this gentleman, Akwawe, a friend Kofi Ofosun Kansa, under Nana Dankwe Kufuado, the regime, na John Kuma a free nape no, boy we the Nimsa war or no near. This boy was raping women at that office. This guy. He's a rapist. This is the guy before Agyapong contested Bawumia or by an inbox mu say our naked videos and audios of Agyapong or beso or the breme echo na mebo. This guy. Your friend Kofi Ofosun Kansa. O go to no Facebook na or chro nyoma hwenenim I say wo hwenenim ne wunye time na owo nape under Ekufuado ne Bawumia. He was the head of nape. He was raping women. CCTV camera capture no. This guy, he was raping women at that office. He's a rapist. And the name of Tiny say, Sa Kwakwasi Ampenyi we sent us a message and told us to say, he has a message for us. He has a message for Kevin Taylor. And I'm saying message. We have videos and audios of Agyapong. Can you take it and play it? And I'm saying, Kwasia. Now, more internal election. Many Agyapong problem. I wouldn't say me that low, Anna. I wouldn't say me that low-minded, shallow-minded. It's boy way. This where the boys almost started agenda against Agyapong. Time Agyapong started say obe contested Bawumia. This were the boys. Were tried to enter parliament on one crime for almost nine. They never gave him the opportunity. But that is not even the case. A brand here we continue radio so I catch the Ghana phone and say our evidence. A chere say ono ne ho NPP fo ni bi atie sika kese enya scholarship e ma se sia kwampa okasa no onim nipa omo wo sa scholarship ni bi omo wa brochire. And it is very important to say the government and Yoko and National Investigation Bureau, they call this snake-faced dwarf, this snake-faced disease of a piglet to come and assist in investigations because President no nama order. And this rapist, you see, sometimes we'll be texting me on Facebook. They be no no na se onti na no kasa da. Akwe okasa se windro gudenum. Okasa I se sebio toilet gudenum. Na no ponte ye. Okasa we mu na mutiti Facebook no because they had the opportunity to be raping girls at NIP. Now Mumianko tie no radio so he sat on radio and emphatically said say ono ne NPP no onimunkofo mutu 100,000 and thousands of dollars are omo scholarship and they oka say scholarship no omo using wa broche. The NIB needs to call this guy to assist in investigations. Mumianko tie no utie na no ne kasa kwa say kwasia when you waste your time, but they need to call him. He needs to answer questions.
It didn't happen.
Sure.
Sani no and Dr. Bawumia say on BBC into the digitization. And no need delegates akasa o magina tumno. I will not be a hypocrite to pretend say because this is over a crime in mobile or foreign scholarship.
Foreign scholarship.
Oh yes.
Me talking about it. Me bato unimobia wakoto foreign.
Oh yes.
Please. Me bato foreign scholarship. Auto
Oh. Nipa no
auto ne sen.
Minim the exact amount.
Now foreign scholarship.
Yeah.
Me bato no.
Minim the exact amount.
Me bato foreign scholarship. Your tongue.
Now, security service na busa me na ton. Like Juma no.
But what you have to say?
Exactly.
Sure. And you can't just make these allegations say foreign scholarship. And you know what saying. Nipa no so
I'm turn over 100,000. I'm telling you.
Over 100,000.
Oh yes. I can't give you because I can't give you
foreign scholarship.
I'm telling you.
Or told over 100.
NPP for to be quadru echo CCA.
NPP. I'm telling you.
Yes,
really?
These things you cannot get 100% system. We cannot pretend to be a yes.
Why? Kofi, I want you to look straight into my eyes.
Yes.
Let's have the conversation. Let's have the conversation. Let's have the conversation.
Yes, Prof.
But oh, Roger, please don't disrupt me. With the greatest respect.
Prof.
Yeah.
May catch say whether NPP or NDC, some of these excesses happen. We cannot pretend and fake say it doesn't happen. We have no mobile security recruitment.
But that's serious.
That's what happened.
That serious allegation you have made. You have made.
My dad, Martin Americano. Mean to me, because my security services because they're not for important.
No, but on the foreign, you can be sure, on the foreign scholarship now.
I'm telling you, say minimum people phobia or Montobia is more British. I'm telling you.
And I'll try on
I'm not sure. Say I say get. I think say I say get fund.
Get fund.
Oh, really?
But yaton say GMPC, say scholarship secretariat, say get fund, almost foreign scholarship. Nipa na to or the kwa UK. I'm telling you this on authority.
And you know, if you are telling me this on authority,
yes,
then it means that when you are called, you can prove.
Of course, but one say a bit when I say Nipa Chrono. Or no, he may not be ready for his or her name to be put out.
So it's an allegation. It's an allegation.
Of course. Because in your behind a better say or better I'm being truthful to you, sir. And you're behind what can't tell me who was a scholarship no. A basse or may prove publicly or be proved. A common sense, a logical because Okoto. Illegal indeed. I should be a counterfeit. Now I say, my boy, counterfeit.
Okay, so fighting corruption.
Yeah.
It's a canker in the flesh of government. Yes. Of which this government is of no exception. Now, what if government says, okay, we want to nip this in the bud, and then you have an information you can volunteer, you are invited. Will you volunteer the information?
Of course. But the issue is that the beneficiary...
I'm asking you, would you volunteer?
Of course I will.
You will?
Of course. But if the beneficiary is not ready to, come out, you cannot be successful even though I catch you.
No, once you're able to mention the name of the
beneficiary. Please.
I'm trying to pretend. They say security services recruitment.
Okay,
so these are some of the excesses which are paying that Dr. Bawumia any delegates caucus side or catch them says NCBM because for the IT system I'm making sure say all these opportunities will be shared equitably.
No, they need to call this guy. You see, Sanyamo no the two system ni moi. Na the gunipa hu fin, no the say nipa. This guy needs to be called. On say your friend said, "Yeah, no, I feel CO. The beneficiaries in your will in some bekasa. No, we don't know any beneficiary. You said, oh, evidence. So one case part mukrampono. As we speak, obi 300,000 Edward Brochi. These were emphatic statements. It's not the beneficiary we are talking about here. It is your word against your own word. Eti sa wawoba we. Ne ho nyanyanyanyanyanyanyanyany. Ne ho tan. On said debiano. Or church on Facebook, or just said the party to be. Or just said nipa papa bi. I tau chanasia because away the bemamu. One we. One who fool you at the war. Can you come? Shall bear nim si form. Or a car and go a bidia car, nenim a si form. Na nkwasia fo nipa fun we mu no ekufu ado tam no kotona nape eno mu repim ma. And so Ogin say 1992 politics no yanka samuntu obi so na Bawumia be president. Sa no mu yo. They have no credibility, they do nothing, they get up and they cook things about people. This rapist Nipafun say he needs to be called and he needs to answer questions. So investigation may take 10 years, sir. He needs to assist in the investigations. So yentuma fra brantie we ama manambe ka bebia ana nipakwa onima, he needs to go to jail. He needs to face the law. They need to put him inside because you see, Nipa say no more dangerous to the country. we mu no betuma to aka asema to nipa so ade bechi ne ku obi ato atwene we ujesi be nanim tie obetuma aka asema to obi so ade bechi ne wo obi sekan. And we are not supposed to entertain this as a nation. The misinformation and the disinformation, they sit on Facebook, they write things. Boy, we can't some for presidents, I can't some funny power, many evidence so because they have lapdogs, they have insects who propel their messages. Enti abedi di omutrim. Omo yesadia na che. These are the boys sebio almost run pa, almost yanko say nipa we. And NIB needs to call him. So investigations may take 10 years, sir. He needs to help in the investigations. So when to me and prove he needs to go to jail. She ni perfume. She dey see mama so. She no tanta we oma ya Photoshop kakra kra kan ho. Oma pra na nim kakra. Wo hwe de nim asa kra. Ne ho tan. Ni perfume and what that is what they do in Ghana. Tell me ku for the man ko share nape every Friday we be kono mo party wo. And all rape, meaning 3 girls a guy will rape your more nape. This guy. And these are people walking on the streets of Ghana every day. Now Jimmy will have send you a message say, oh, Kennedy Agyapong wants some Kennedy be contesting tea. Yanji information. Kwasiana Mr. Juania we Mr. Tia journalism, investigative journalism. Now we are NPP no more Jimmy Tra. NPP na and kwashare for magum. NPP na Jimmy for no doso. NPP na nkurase for no doso. NPP na ntwam one doso ntira na wo ubenya bibia kan NPP mu. Na wo wen this mu a ye de wo ye bofuru anase ye de wo ye nkwan. But the NIB needs to take action. These are dangerous people in our society. These are people we need to let the law deal with. If the NIB and Yoko fail to call this boy to order, I'm never going to allow this to happen. Menche. He needs to come in. His statements were emphatic. Also, on one case, the part munipa onim the host Ribusan said, "Yeah, frauna ukwa ubetumia koyi one." Or say yes. He made it emphatic. Until he needs to be called. As simple as that. You see, Sanko for no. Somebody born na uchi oma. No ma kote te tribe echi. No ma kote te party echi. Na mo say, oh tata omo. Hwe nipom fun sei. Na hwe nsema o ka to nipa bi so. O njina so a o so di njina so ne ba. Very important. And we are not going to let these things slide again. We are going to make sure people like this, embrani ni omodi. Into where the President Nashamra, and I'm expecting the NIB boss, the Yoko boss, to call this snake to come in and answer questions. As simple as that. Now, you see, I'm coming customer Mecca. There's something happening in the NPP. Party is a big the leadership of the party, party the go. And a typical example here would be to say Oseche Mensa Bonsu, or one diabolic, ungrateful human being. Okay? The way I got my numbers my elections through hard work. We were on the ground, we did a lot of research. We all know the bottom-up approach in museum and on the reggae elections in Bawumia. But I see when we are in a party, not because of elections in tea, you better that man nipa kobi omudi nipa biechi ashada asay obi. Now, in the name we say yenwe elections na yenka ehumboma. Eba sana na nipa bi o party na yehu amuso omudi omunye nipa. You see, me, I never cared about Agyapong and Bawumia and now obi win elections no. But the na yan say party mpanyfo tena ho na ye di Kennedy atem na ye gu Kennedy anim ase senka etitirufo mpo na nka mo kasa etwa atro edi Kennedy atem a anka Ghana fo nyina bete ase. But these were party rats. You can say party rats they cannot even pay their own rent. Into many baby. These are people answer me to my boxer shorts asheno. E dia show mo show ahono. E che mo kotieti mo party office. These are non-entities, insignificant human pieces. And nipa bi wo party Shatta create some monsters we say they should just go and destroy Kennedy Agyapong's character. We all know Kennedy has his own flaws. We know, no, I've had my own issue with Kennedy. But for people to deliberately sideline Kennedy, say, Kennedy, dia, mama yenka, na ya Bawumia bibi dia, it should be a big problem in the party. People like Oseche Mensa Bonsumo, a disease, no more say party. No. And I swear to God, the NPP, now, my force my Bawumia be lead no. There is no way you can win power without Kennedy call for the treatment. There's no way. And in the first place, we're not going to win power. Now, Oseche Mensa Bonsu continue TV so. And you busa Oseche Mensa Bonsu say, Bawumia be signing a peace pact no we muna. Tie. Host na what TV no busa Oseche Mensa Bonsu. Bawumia time na mo be signing peace pact no. Na we muna. Na no o de kan wo ho. Munti Oseche Mensa Bonsu Asamoah kan.
Peace pact no kwan na amane buafu no. On abwante. Yes wo kwa bufu na woni mu odi wura dem ho no.
Nanya bufu. Nanya bufu. Na ne buda na efu. O nipa. O ko di obi atem. Na de kochi. Yes bra. Na mon ko stress ni ntwa picture say say peace pact. O ye nipa. How would you feel? So nanya bufu. But they say, I dear I am in rap, I was one panel. Ne party no some protecting enough. Emma Sani man koso no. Now also for crime to demonstrate say you're not happy with name koso. It wasn't anger. Okay. Say anger boy, it was righteous anger.
Peace party no kwan na amane buafu no. On abwante. Yes wo kwa bufu na woni mu odi wura dem ho no.
Nanya bufu. Nanya bufu. Na ne buda na efu. O nipa. O ko di obi atem. Na de kochi. Yes bra. Na mon ko stress ni ntwa picture say any peace pact. O ye nipa. How would you feel? So nanya bufu. But they say, I dear I am in rap, I was one panel. Ne party no some protecting enough. Emma Sani man koso no. Now also for crime to demonstrate say you're not happy with name koso. It wasn't anger. Okay. Say anger boy, it was.
Yeah, Sambia na Oseche Mensa Bonsu eka. Moko sani peace pact no. Na Bawumia buofu. Adentina na buofu. Osi oh. Na yedidi Bawumia tem. Kennedy kasetia Bawumia. Na party no. Na Bawumia feel say also party ni protect no. Na almost so insist say also Kennedy apologize to Bawumia and na Bawumia buofu. Oh. Iti Bawumia de no here party protection. Oseche Mensa Bonsu. When you saw a page no di party nim, when an edi Bawumia campaign nim, sanko fo we almost so me mpeni from the NPP nim. We omonum Johnson omoda. Or say oh. Bawumia muna no muna na Bawumia buofu adenti na Kennedy akase tia no. Na Bawumia insist say Kennedy punish you. And also the NPP as a political party leadership na protect or no Bawumia. And intina Bawumia ba sa event na we muna. Oh, so Bawumia there he needs the party's protection. Oh, Bawumia wants an apology. But Kennedy Agyapong there he never deserved the party's protection. Oh, really? Oh, in some of the Kennedy Agyapong na sanko for the TV so abronya mo ene sa boy and who fear the two lines Jimmy and who can na in some of the Kennedy no. The question here is internet party to mean protect Kennedy ana because they were all NPP members and or they are still NPP members. Abronya kwasi ampenyi wanya NPP ni. Boy and who fear on twin boxes short shares in share the two lines kwasi ampenyi and who fear who can onya NPP ni. Sa small boy also a lawyer okaze Kennedy adwene enye ya bie na adwene mu no sa small boy bia nano say a crime baby omunya NPP before so the party could not tell them, the party could not call them to order, the party could not protect Kennedy. Na Kennedy no nya nipa Kennedy Agyapong de no ya ade on de no nim nyansa na ontuani dues onye NPP ni enti na abronya eka Sansa no kire Kennedy na Kennedy de ohia protection. Abronya Ekasano, who was he speaking in favor of? Abronya no Okasama wine. Omo no mudi Kennedy attempt on TV and on radio. Say Kennedy biena adwene so oya kwasi ampanyi onimu nyansa na wabodam no. Na omo kasama wine, ade no omo kasama ash gold. Ana omo kasama kotoko. Omo nya no nya party for. Enti Kennedy, he did not need a party protection ana. Ade omo no mudi Kennedy attempt to say Abronya man no mo ye campaign ma Bawumia no. Why? Omo no mutumi apologize to Kennedy. O say chemensa onimu nyansa. When our audience ought to be vice president to say chief of staff no. You are not an intelligent man. When you need kwa, margin was for master party no. Muni munyansa. Most selfish interest in party mugumusa mwa. You are being selective because changing our Bawumia bedi enim. We will destroy some people. We will destroy some people. Ombi biya ne ama Bawumia bedi party nenim. Na mu wiya na makacha say ye nyina yenka ehumbum internal contest en kwasiafo ma. Ma destroy nipa. Mwemba mweni da ho asai nipa. Ma twatro to nipa so egu nipa ho fin. Mu wiye ya esa wiya abani ma ka say ye nyina ye nuanom yembra eyefie ba ku mu asem kwasiafo ma. Enti Kennedy no we jiminti ne supporters na omo life to ho e de omo credibility to ho eye bibia e running a clean campaign no omo de omo jiminti omo be Bawumia ne supporters awa too na omo wi Bawumia supporters be hu omo sen. How do you want Abronya to see the supporters of Bawumia? How do you want that filthy boy ne ho kankan ne ho sent? How do you want that boy na ne 3 lines no to think about Kennedy supporters? How do you want these foolish boys who are insulting Canadians? How do you want them to see them? You still don't get the seriousness of what you have caused. You are still being selective. This is not even supposed to come out from your mouth. Say, Bawumia needed party's protection. Where Jimmy? Now Kennedy there, your party there, party glue. Kennedy there, no apology from anybody. Abronya is a whole regional chairman representing the party in the highest office. You people could not tell him to apologize to Kennedy. Moyam kwasiafo. Munya mo Jimmy. Munni munyansa. Mo bugana for say asiye nyina ye Jimmy. Mo te party nim. Jimmy ni sika. No respect. Disrespect for everyone. Disrespecting everybody's intelligence. Abronya on your party mazwao. On your regional chairman. Now Abronya every single day. Odi Kennedy. Na tem osi Kennedy abodam. Ye bie Kennedy adwinim. Kennedy ye to na ne so na wo ose chairman sabo su kwasi ampanyi da bia na wutie Abronya. Mo a whole election committee. More disciplinary committee. More neck. You fools were all listening to these things. Abronya is a stakeholder in this piglet party. None of you guys were able to call Abronya out to say no. Even though we say Bawumia campaign because of your position you hold, you can't make that statement. En kwasiafo montosha agogogogo. Ena mudi di nkurankurachi munni munyansa. Inti yasiatia no ne ehwe we nyina ne abeto abama Bawumia. Mo jimijimi. Is that how you people want this country to be handed? That's a as a munye nipa. From a Kwadwo or say chairman Sabonsu, Hakono Uswajiman, Michael Kwe, Mumpeni for more party munya Asamoah and Koko. You don't think you don't have Muntwin Guinim Kwe. Now they're not omo yeno, no mu yet ya wine. Enti Adiachi and I real Bawumia. Na Bawumia, and then Kwasi Afona Beka say, oh, Yenina Yenka Humbum, into the Xi Yenina Renfi. Now when you say Kennedy, I'm here on the campaign. Kennedy Agyapong no Namono, Mojo say I'm here and also good cap on the campaign. Eye sika eye nipa kuma na edi nechi eye omo na omoji omudi so omo ye NPP for and omo kuma na edi nechi omo nya mmoa into omo they didn't need party protection. Nobody had to apologize to them. You don't see them as humans, but mu Bawumia na nkokore so omo ye nipa. You people are foolish. The leadership of the NPP muni munyansa. Me, I am still a member of the NPP, but I am a wise person. How can you make such a statement? Into Adiachia, na Kennedy afane car, no de yire na tinem, na yire na mudi na tem no, oni Kennedy na mudi na tem so abodam no, no ababa Bawumia fe no abechia no why ade, ye nyina be support to, ka Kennedy so ya ade. Secretary Agyapong to ni car. and the Bawumia fee bechian in same say why are dear pa me ye Jimmy the amoka fire when I tiasie e no kre we are endorsing it it's koko di president like Kennedy or yade. And if he's going to do it, it is his own problem because it will show say yade swampa because for Kennedy to even think say that harassment na ni followers come no, it is not even about Kennedy Agyapong. It's about the people who were committed to Kennedy Agyapong's campaign. The people who sacrificed to do everything to make sure Kennedy's message reaches the last person. The people who basically are also part of the NPP. The commitment na omudia shemuno mo share that sideline omo mudi omatem e denigrate omo e mo mu so nyanipa no. Those are the people I'm talking about. Into the Kennedy so beso no pa. Now I found pick up red, you know. Now the Jimmy Bawumia fee, not Samira Bawumia, Asha Kennedy in the Yidim, Abra Samira Bawumia, and a Suman Kwara Mombe D Kennedy in the Yiratem. Now Mosako Jinomu fee, Bedin Suonum, able to Butuasa and Kwasia Force, Yadase, Yanka Humana Kennedy Suya Day. Then it means every single thing they said about Kennedy Agyapong is true. Every single thing they said about his wife is true. Then it means Kennedy is endorsing in some Bawumia Shenko for which is someone can't. The followers of Kennedy Agyapong, only NPP for which reduce, they also needed party's protection. They needed to be apologized to. They are also humans. They are respected people throughout the campaign. Campaign here, you know, Kennedy supporters, and Bawumia supporters, how many dear temper, and Bawumia supporters. Abroad, you know, support wine. Kwasiana who fin who can ya line signs good to foolish boy Kwasiampe and who fin we are only baby cratino, no support wine. So small boy ya kwesi bocho se dia o ka se Kennedy abodam no that small boy now so a lawyer no support wine akosia me no support Kwadwo ponko in some of no Sansa mo kan ye no na omo support wine. They were all going in favor of Bawumia. So Kennedy and his supporters didn't need protection by the party, right? Mwejimi munimu nyansa. And you see, these are some of the things you do. Now, in comfort towards Shamo. Now, from say leaders of Bawumia's campaign. Inti Kennedy call for no. At this point, you know, almost around a pa. No ma catch almost say, oh, they see in Yam Fanche. Yankwe Bawumia president. Yan Sankwe campaign no bimbo etu. Yankwe campaign yanko shiri yankwa. Yanja ye yo abruchire ni ambra Ghana be campaign ma Bawumia. Oh, me ametinte buom no. O se me jai bibia na me ba fosu na me be campaign ma Bawumia. Ma me ntumi ka na me to petrol ngum na me fa flag ntaretare ho na me koye campaign ma Bawumia. But at the end of the day, Bawumia na yire ehu sa supporters omo ye moa because they don't deserve their apology. They don't even see them as NPP for. They don't even respect them as Nipa. Inti Obina or supporting Kennedy na or ekurabia sana or didn't be supporting Kennedy no. Bawumia ba na wotu ni car no wotu ni moto. Na Bawumia ni wini ade na obeye na amano. Because in the first place, Bawumia pon consider so Nipa. Because Kennedy nankasa Bawumia who Kennedy so ya boa. Because Bawumia at the end of the day has never told anyone so oh apologize to Kennedy for the Omoye Kennedy. You see, inti trasa oh we there ye nuafo there party the omo kind of internet na capture they don't care. Kennedy nemma emma eba beton sama ya kan for Kennedy hu. Kennedy nemma mba ene nemma mema ne nana no beba ensam na mo kan fa de hu ni nyina no ne nana no bebusa say was my grandfather a madman. Kennedy's grandchildren will ask those questions. Kennedy ne nana no ne mama ebebusa say we are on the internet. Our grandfather is Kennedy Agyapong. We are seeing videos. Was our grandfather a madman? Was our grandmother a prostitute? Did our grandfather just say in summer in Krawe Babeti? And these things are going to follow Kennedy till he dies. These things are going to follow Kennedy Agyapong till he dies. They are going to follow the guy. It does not matter. But Bawumia and they are going to have a clean slate. Samira Bawumia is going to live a comfortable life because Kennedy and Kennedy and Kennedy no supporter of Kennedy Agyapong and the Bejina Bawumia at Facebook Eddie Bawumia. So Bawumia they are the chosen ones. They should go through nicely like a hot knife. But Kennedy, his track record and his life, you know, he should battle lies. So you do how does this work? Ojo say nkofo Kennedy ebo afra another Kennedy campaign obu pia bontene baby o ha obi to drive 10 kilometers no abehu Kennedy Agyapong kan say meto ama wo or the life, or the moto, or the car toso. Na kuma wo Kennedy because Kennedy some okache no gidi. Or who say na party bako. Yamwana de penemra. Na mo sideline or monamo who almost yamwa. You want them to come into election day no. Omunjai de omoye. Obi we juma unjai. No me to abama Bawumia. Abra Bawumia kachire or no. And then the Kennedy is omo yamwa. Kennedy near bodamfo. Omo yakromfo. Abronya DC is not a normal person in the NPP. He's a regional chairman. Anke Kufuor de betuma freno. Anka ye papa Kufuor betuma freno. Anka party no penyiri wo mu a munjimi ya. Kometuma ka say shut up. But all of them were on the side of Kennedy Abronya. They were on the side of Bawumia. Say Bawumia should keep doing. Abronya should keep doing what he's doing to Kennedy and his supporters. They were all happy about it. And this is the danger we are faced as a nation, as a political party. And you don't see the problem. And anytime who will be to say Atta Kennedy, you are a disgrace to Yan Fantifo. You are a disease of an old man. You saw all these things and you are following Bawumia like a dog. What are you going to get from it? I used to respect you a lot. These are things we need to sit and analyze. What are you people covering? Into Kennedy Fono, me, I don't care about Kennedy Fono. I don't care about Bawumia Fono. But someone in party Munimunyansa. Munimunyansa, because Bawumia national television, so no, I apologize to Kennedy Agyapong on behalf of the Omayenya. But what is happening today? And the Bawumia and the Etifie Chama Kennedy asabe bunko to jo omunim na Bawumia kwase ampanyi oba party na Kennedy nim Bawumia ni Kennedy when I contribute to the party when a financial or the sika party nim Kennedy Agyapong de Bawumia when na ayi the sika abo party no Bawumia na so lela ono die na the party nim but because the leadership of the party from J. Kufuor to Kufuor to Hakma Uswajiman, Michael Kwe, any community they are all following Bawumia because Bawumia is the one who is going to bring back the money box because they are criminals and they are thieves. They think Bawumia can continue Kufuor's criminality. Into Munyinano, today you see Kennedy as a fool. This guy has committed millions into that party. All that he wanted was that let everybody hear us and make a right decision. You decided to change the voting pattern. You decided to change the register. You brought people who were not supposed to vote. Minimum 200 Bawumia, a fly or free America, echo Ghana to vote. Are you people mad? Jimmy? And you want us to sit and say, NPP, a young man, a young woman, Obiana na Kumada Kennedy so, and sorry, I no pass me campaign, I'm a Bawumia, make a Tuabama Bawumia. Now, what can Bawumia do? We gave Bawumia 8 years in office. EMT, he led Ghana's money issues. Bawumia failed. He failed to the point where it was not even recognizable. Bawumia failed to the last point. Mahamudu Bawumia is the biggest failure in Ghana politics. Why should we give power to Bawumia again? It is a moon Jimmy Kurano because yan so before Fronche. But because of Chrono, because of Pesamin Kuminya, because of Ewi, because of Mumunipa. And then we sit here today. Sorry, where the internal party problem. Internal. Oh, really? Internal. Yani abo damne yemfa ya damne be support to internal party politics. That's a Kennedy abodam. The chief wo nyina abodam. Omo nyina ya pa amutrim. Omo mfa omo damne embe supported pa internal party politics. Mo bodam. Mo ye ntwamwa. Me say mo, you have no idea.
And your statement is fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. Who is your school?
Okay, French.
Fallacy of Latin. Fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. It's simple. The statement is a fallacy. Wow. Fallacious. And your statement is fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. Who is your school?
Okay, French.
Fallacy of Latin. Fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. It's simple. The statement is a fallacy. Wow. Fallacious. And your statement is fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. Who is your school?
Okay, French.
Fallacy of Latin. Fallacy of argumentum ad hominem. It's simple. The statement is a fallacy.
It's always a plus for me to wake up every day knowing that I am in the celestial citadel of activism and excellence.
Hold on. Yahweh.
I am at the celestial citadel of activism and excellence where tetraorgasmic and ultra-tetrabalicious intellectuals are brought forth.
What is all of this?
It can only be found from the quintessential archives of the Chief Vanda. always a plus for me to wake up every day knowing that I am in the celestial citadel of activism and excellence.
Hold on. Yahweh.
I am at the celestial citadel of activism and excellence where tetraorgasmic and ultra-tetrabalicious intellectuals are brought forth.
What is all of this?
It can only be found from the quintessential archives of the chief vandal. Always a plus for me to wake up every day knowing that I am in the celestial citadel of activism and excellence.
Hold on. Yahweh.
I am at the celestial citadel of activism and excellence where tetraorgasmic and ultra-tetrabalicious intellectuals are brought forth.
What is all of this?
It can only be found from the quintessential archives of the chief vandal.
We okunya first class for another business for business class ba ko ba adidi obeye mo Ghana no coincidential and then part sa kwa we ya ne nsagu de chi a ohye la ko said de ohye mokua so Mozambique okay kan kwasi abrofu yi so onya chance ba ko for business class no ba and de mo amugu 39k wodo de jagobo ba bu ba obi a
ye ma wo kwan se be ye djuma djuma no want man ye obi a be ye djuma yi na sese wo tena abonten se ye ma wo kwan ye djuma no bi mengin de se Ghana for be penisa ye ma wo kwan se be ye djuma no want man ye obi a be ye djuma yi na sese wo tena abonten se ye ma wo kwan ye djuma no bi mengin de se Ghana for be penisa ye ma wo kwan se be ye djuma no want man ye obi a be ye djuma yi na sese wo tena abonten se ye ma wo kwan ye djuma no bi mengin de se Ghana for be penisa ye ma wo kwan se be ye djuma no want man ye obi a be ye djuma yi na sese wo tena abonten se ye ma wo kwan ye djuma no bi mengin de se
akwane se ye ma wo kwan ye enya kwan ne de ma djuma wo eye kwan obi a be ye djuma ye ma ne kwan enya kwan ena ye ma nkwan se bra be ye djuma ni asama enya nkwan ne ye de ma atinga enya nkwan eye ekwan zo abinjiwa atinga enya nkwan ya ma obi nkwan so mfa be ye djuma ne ye de nkwan ye djuma nke tete ya ka ni mebunubunu nkwan ka ya bo edi enya nkwan eye ekwan atinga enya ya ma nkwan ye mfa nkwan ko ye djuma nkwan ye di ya nomu nkwan wo fie ansane yakoye djuma ntu ka se ya ma obi nkwan ye enya nkwan atinga kasa wonte menka memeti ausentina meka zo wana atinga enya nkwan eye ekwan nti de ontumi nka no menka
ye ma wo kwan se be ye djuma no want man ye obi a be ye djuma yi na sese wo tena abonten se ye ma wo kwan ye djuma no bi mengin de se Ghana for be penisa tena abonten se ye ma wo kwan ye djuma no bi mengin de se Ghana for be penisa tena abonten se ye ma wo kwan ye djuma no bi mengin de se Ghana for be penisa ye ma wo kwan se be ye djuma no want man ye obi a be ye djuma yi na sese wo tena abonten se ye ma wo kwan ye djuma no bi mengin de se Ghana for be penisa
ya ma obi nkwan wo de onim de bank wada atinga unim de oba unim de ba anka wada atinga zo wanji enya nkwan eye kwan ekwan enya nkwan eye enye nkwan ye ma nkwan ze be ye djuma be ye de nkwan ye atinga either we come to your matter now. Let's do this. Ye jina still ye wie kura oh. Now there's another story. Land on sensem Bautinga. Philomena Potinga, yeah. Philomena Potinga. Yeah. Hey, you ha, go. You ha. Bawumia Potinga. Bawumia Potinga, yeah. Bawumia Potinga. Bawumia Potinga. You ha, go. You ha. Atinga here. Look at Atinga.
I don't want peace. I want problems always. I don't want peace. I want problems always. I don't want peace. I want problems always.
The lives of the people of Agbo matter as much as the lives of the people of East Legon or cantonments. Enti yeba hano yebesi toilets amamu yebesi toilets in all yebesi 8-unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, 32 toilets in all among the people of Agbo. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari, enyasa. Ubejari. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari, enyasa. Ubejari. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari, enyasa. Ubejari. Enti. Usorina uko toilet, uya ubejari, enyasa. Ubejari.
Get quite about Utima Ujina campaign stage, like Ujina camp stage so. Now to be one to say uko toilet, ubejari. To say, so now but check out Jini Akwani and one say. Utu jina stage nipa jina ho. Na wo ka kire nkofo ne say uko toilet a obedware. La. Tio, the seriousness of the matter ne say the ba ni tirim kwama ne buso mo sa question no. Na say ne tirim no omko toilet obunware. Obu abulashifo because nyame bi wo ha eye default. Uko toilet a obedware. Enti yembusa say so uko toilet a obedware na se Bawumia tribu no awobregifo ne omunware Mahamudu atenga because show where language a language ujina ni penim e de say wo Bawumia gina we na obi aka say Bawumia e kwete boto ububefu because I say nipa no na adwini mu no yentwa wo bema. The cannot say with all due respect to Bawumia, may the kind and may try to make and say Bawumia so ujina onya kwete boto. It automatically Bawumia you get offended because naturally you try obema. It is obi busa question say Bawumia onya kwete boto. You naturally will get pissed off because adwejimiana no obi a meni obati amawari e de na me kwete boto. It is so to me gina bubulishifo nim say uko toilet a ubedware. Uko toilet asa ubeja na ti asem ni you just say akwano
the lives of the people of Agbo Usorina uko toilet uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Usorina uko toilet uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari. Usorina uko toilet uya ubejari enyasa. Ubejari.
Just osa busa se enyasa. Meaning or doubt so mudware omoni amudware. Because obika say udware wi a uko toilet wi obedware enyasa na say ono no onim answer no but opese oye sure say monni amudware. Enyasa. Isn't it so? When you shit you go to bath, isn't it so? And to say when you say, you know, when you eat, you gotta drink water, isn't so? Into a default. Into some mudari munia mubedare entisa. So be the entisa soswa. Now or expect to say, so munjimiya munia mubedare. So muya ni pebi na munimnyansa munia mubedare. Because sebiya munimnyansa ntiebiya munia mundare. And it's like I say, entisa. Isn't it so? Meaning he's expecting you to say yes. Because one can yes, I know with Jimmy. Into Bawumia no or doubt it a day. Agbo she force omunia omundare. Into steady language ni steady language no. Where language.
The lives of the people of Agbo matter as much as the lives of the people of East Legon or cantonments. Enti yeba hano yebesi toilets amamu yebesi toilets in all yebesi 8-unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, 32 toilets in all among the people of Agbo. Usori na uko toilet uya obejware enyasa. Obejware. Usori na uko toilet uya obejware enyasa. Obejware. Usori na uko toilet uya obejware enyasa. Obejware. Usori na uko toilet uya obejware enyasa. Obejware.
Atinga amano. Unim se on se ostatino. Odinka ka se yebesi KVIP amamo. Ana onim se KVIP ukoni also dware. Because se WCI ofia oni awunware. Inti no ka se the lives of the people of Agbogloshi matters as the life of the people, as the life of people at cantonment. Inti onim se KVIP de oni ana ho bon. Inti oban onim se we mu no omon se individual WC. Na KVIP nie na KVIP so de oni a ho bon because ho no ejinam inti ebegina ho. Inti Bawumia ba no nya wa underestimate Agbogloshifo no. Amano. Amano. Atinga. Okay, I wonder. Amano. Atinga banyina no. Why estimating kofo no? Inti ono bani nyina no. Just say he just say ohun de onka. Why too excited?
But you must feel really proud.
Actually, I'm greatly honored. The Almighty God has done me a tremendous honor. Today is historic. It's a victory for all the teachers in Prempeh because over the past years, teachers in Prempeh College have been teaching students of other parents. Victory for all the teachers in Prempeh because over the past years, teachers in Prempeh College have been teaching students of other parents. Victory for all the teachers in Prempeh because over the past years, teachers in Prempeh College have been teaching students of other parents. So
as soon as that's the way, they have been teaching students of other parents, and it's a very difficult. They have been teaching other students of. They have been teaching teachers of Prempeh College have been teaching students of other parents. Amano. Hey, for economy for for business class that page on sana memoir. Sanko from for business class. I don't go for business class. 92K for no 47B. Sanko from here binino. Kwasasamo gwa. Amano atinga.
NPP cannot be underestimated.
The NPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahin, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,